Hi there, come back into the bar, come and have a chat, come and sit with me and let's just talk through the next episode in this series of how race fit are you to run your projects, programs and portfolios. So today what I want to look at is the area of vision and strategy and objectives for a program. So imagine you've got a major program which is going to transform the way that your business operates. One thing that's fairly clear is that from the word go, it's extremely important to articulate why you're doing it, what the vision is and what you're trying to achieve. And the reason for that is that it's absolutely crucial that various people around the business buy into that and they can understand what this program is all about and what it's trying to, what end game it's trying to achieve. Now, what I see time and time again in different environments is long, wordy PIDs or program charters or documents that are very texty, trying to explain what the program's all about. Well, the truth is 99% of people are not going to read those documents. That's just life. And so the quicker you sort of get your head around that, the better, because there's a few rules that I think it's worth taking with you into how do I articulate a vision of a program. So let's just have a little look. And what I'm going to do is go on to our virtual bar. So this is what we call the V bar. It's the virtual bar, and essentially the V bar enables us to look in an online room at the structure of a program. And the very first part of this, so when I land in the V-bar, what I'm interested in doing is I'm interested in creating a feeling with the people that I'm looking to bring in and get bought into my program. Why do I do that? The reason I do that is because there are people around the business that have got absolutely no interest in project methodology at all, who it's crucial that I have on board and buying into my program if I want to be successful. Because if I don't have their support and I don't have them prioritizing their resources, their time, their effort, etc., and within their individual departments, I'm going to have a problem. I'm going to really struggle to deliver my program. So it's crucial I get them on board. So step one is I've got to get them understanding what we're doing here. Because if they can understand it, they're more likely to buy into it and gain, and get involved. And if they get involved, I'm more likely to be successful as a project manager. So let's just have a look at how we do that. So in the V bar, we'll go to the first section here, which is the vision and the objectives of the program. And this is the sort of level that I would suggest that you would be looking at articulating what the program is all about. So we're talking about a single sentence, not a PID, not a program charter, not some great big document, but a single sentence that's well presented and that articulates in one simple sentence what this program is all about. And as long as you can do that, you're in good shape. If you can't do that, if you're finding it's taking you 3 or 4 paragraphs, or even worse, couple of pages, you've got a problem, because as I say, virtually very few people are going to read those large documents. When it comes to the sort of goals and the objectives of the project, get them really succinctly set up and pulled together, and do it in a format that's easy to read. Don't have it buried in some complex, deep, texty document. It's simply not worth it. And at least then you've got this, here we've got a picture of the program or the project on a page, but it's not just a project plan. The project plan is the tiniest amount of it. It's tiny. This is really more about the whole piece. We've got the vision, we've got the goals, why we're doing it. We've got a few risks, which we call storm warnings in this particular case. Then we've got some costs, and we've got clearly some benefits that need to be derived. So all in one page, I can read that very simply. It takes me about 30 seconds to get the hang of what's going on. That's what I'm looking for. Really quick, simple articulation of what the vision and the objectives are so I can buy into it. Go for it. Good luck with it. Thank you for coming to the bar chat today. It's been great to have you in the bar, and I hope you've enjoyed the topic we've been talking about. Now, if there's anything in this topic, if there's anything in this bar chat that's particularly resonated with you, or there's a challenge that you're facing with your portfolio or your program or your stakeholders or whatever it might be, then one of the things that I'm offering is a free private bar function. So you can either come into our very own bar and come and be a part of it, and I promise you there'll be a drink waiting here for you, or I'll come to you, or we'll have a phone call, and we can maybe kick the tires on over a bar chat on a challenge that you're facing internally with your program, portfolio, or whatever. If you want to do that, please take me up on the offer. I don't expect anything in return, and I really genuinely don't. You're very welcome to just click the link in the post on LinkedIn. There's a link in there. Connect and register, and we will be in touch to sort a private bar function out. Come and see me in the bar.